So this is still my Ryzen PC in a small computer case. As you can see, the case is barely bigger than the power supply and the mATX board. It's a bit in the front and on the bottom, maybe a half an inch, and that's it. So my idea here was that I'm going to put a 12 centimeter fan in the front, like that. There are mounting holes to hold it here, and it will take air from the front panel through this hole, like that, and it won't pull any from the top. I put some foam here that will in theory block the way, so the fan here will only suck in from the bottom, like that, in theory. And then there will be reality when I actually test it. In theory this will be very good because this will blow on the passive heatsink of the video card, the 1030 GT with 2 gigs of RAM, and also on the CPU cooler. It will blow directly on them. So this would be very good if it worked. If not, then back to the drawing board.